Haka Apollo Trinity Medical Center, kisadan laingot ki Doktor Gastro, makin thop ki Doktor Dibya Jyoti Bora, Gastro Surgeon na Apollo Hospital, Guwahati. Doktor Prashant Rai MD, DM Gastro na Apollo Excel Care, Guwahati. Doktor Sudipta Swain, Surgical Gastroenterologist na Apollo Chennai. Kindan arngut ki Doktor Urology, bakin thop ki Doktor Sandeep Bafna, Urologist na Apollo Chennai. Doktor Amlan Jyoti Sarma na Apollo Hospital, Guwahati. Baru Doktor Ellen Kumaran, beri liver transplant specialist na Apollo Chennai. Nang takindan arngut ki Doktor Ortho, bakin thop ki Doktor Chetan Kabra, Spine and Joint Replacement Specialist na Apollo Hospital, Guwahati. Baru Doktor Imtiaz Ghani, Spine Surgeon na Apollo Chennai. Doktor Arnab Kalita, ubade ENT Specialist, bakin don arngut naka Nephrology bakin thop yu Doktor Himanish Goswami, baka Doktor Inda Kiulin Karbuli, bakin don rugi Doktor Betbet, man Sumar ki Khulung, bakena kumi Doktor Rimpi ki Momen, ibade Pediatric Doctor, Doktor Pibali Deka, ibade Pediatric Neurologist, Doktor Dipanjan Goswami, by Doktor S. Jagadesh, na benta ka Pediatric Surgery, Doktor Rahul Yadav, na benta ka Neonatal Pedia, sangu ki Oncologist lani ba Sumar, yaka Jingpang Bampong, kata Dr. Kiran Kamala Sanan, Surgical Oncologist, ba Dr. Adil Hassan, Medical Oncologist na Apollo Excel Care, Guwahati, Dr. Sandeep Gangulu, Medical Oncologist, by Dr. Tarun Jindal, Uro-Oncology na Apollo Hospital, Kolkata, Dr. Manjula Rao, Breast Oncoplastic Surgeon na Apollo Proton, Chennai. Nakabenta ke physiotherapy indang Dr. Ferd R.S. Marwen, by Dr. Didaka Miwan, Khongla, ibli psychiatrist, ba nakabenta ke dental department, kindan sangot ki doktor. Nalokini kindan ru ka diabetic clinic, ba ophthalmology department. Ki Dr. Ban Sumar ki wei ki bijak Jingpang kilong Dr. Sinrang B. Wajri, MD, DM Cardiology, Dr. Ritu Parna Barwa na Apollo Hospital, Guwahati, Dr. Dhanjit Nath, MBBS, MD, DM Cardiology na Apollo Excel Care, Guwahati, by Dr. Manoj Kumar Saikya, Cardiosurgeon na Apollo Excel Care, Guwahati. Nalokini, kindan pat sasangut ki Doktor Neurology, bakin thupi Dr. Laksha Jyoti Basumatra, MD, DM Neurology na Apollo Excel Care, Guwahati, Dr. Deep Dota MS, MCH Neurosurgery na Apollo Hospital, Guwahati, Dr. Shamim Ahmed, MS, MCH AIMS New Delhi na Apollo Hospital, Guwahati, Dr. Debarshi Chatterjee, Neurosurgery na Apollo Hospital, Kolkata, by Dr. Srinivasan Paramasivam, Neurosurgeon na Apollo, Chennai. Kindan ru ki pulmonologist lani ki chest specialist bikin thop i Dr. Kripesh Ranjan Sharma, Head of Department of Pulmonology, Apollo Hospital, Guwahati, by Dr. Arinham Mukherjee na Apollo Hospital, Kolkata. Kindan ru ki Dr. Gaini bikin thop i Dr. Kelin Misel by Dr. Sunita Samal na Apollo, Chennai. Nalokini, kisadan sa arngut ki Gaini but infertility specialist, kata Dr. Dipti Goswami na Apollo Infertility, Guwahati, by Dr. K.S. Kirthika na Apollo, Chennai. Karbadon, laingot ki Dr. General Medicine ki Ban Sumar Nongpang kilong Dr. Suzoy Hazarika, Dr. Mahesh Chengapa, by Dr. M.M. Khan. Naka Rheumatology Department, indani Dr. Kasturi Hazarika na Apollo Excel Care. Ladadan ki bakwa ban bu appointment pilaban phone and issue WhatsApp hau no number kandai sao prasan lai kandai nyau ar nyau lai ba pilar ban chubuk online appointment haku website www.apollotrinityshalong.com.